nibagira ngo bakahakora kubi.
Erizoba ubu turi kugumizamo kureba ha sente za government eziri gukoresha ubwo mbyanga twashuma mu district ya Bushenyi mu kibera cya Karinju aho government yakoze uruguto okwero kutungura ibyo burambuzi okuto ashanga ngo miliyoni rukaga 50 zikakoresha ubwo koro ruguto rwa meters 300 orutakwikana ngwa necweka cya kilometer kandi twashanga ngo byakozwe byo nabiyatimbukire
kweta yuko tourism road rukarinju 0.6 km wakozwe miliyoni karukaga nezaringamo kandi contract akashashurwa ko karwine defects nyingi rwine byina bingi rutakabire handed over so nagogo no mu monitoring uturebere nguru substandard new RDC kawo nabandi bebe mbezibona tukamonitoring emeremejo twareba nguru yari no tutariteke ko kwene cyo kuba no reba nguru yari kiri substandard ninga kiri hamutindo
already one urabaho na motoka hahona no ter ati nkawara honko mbwire bwenju ratokora motoka ne skidding ano ishaka kuri yo kwa hanso miti ako bakahakora ku bintu bagira ngo bakajushuka kubi tiyaba even cyo kureba neguma nebira konka ekinde cya kabiri so nibagira mu report ejo ngo agama barago bakozise agama bayi agaga bakozise kora nsanga kubaga twire test mu laboratory ku testing agaga suitable for the road bashanga gabe gatar suitable
uruguto rukatandika imyaka ine nyuma kandi rukaba rushemerere kumara imyezi mukaga konga habo kugira ngo contract akakora ngo kuyabire nayenda arohereza umwakogu
drainage mu rubavu na munonga wandu rugaside ya kuri ya hotel ekaberi inche amiza gabe gargir guru wa hotel gatera magati y'ingutu gagumana garwozya no rugenda in fact hamwe bakashangana nitaka bikabandi rebeka kurunja mutugwe ngutu so bajya drainage bajyangusiye kandi be deep aha habe harwitaka na no mumwe aho kureba bitumen neguma nebira na nanko ko hansi yo naho kureba birye byina bagareke ba fixing kubagize ngo ba fixing in fact contractor bakaba bikira miliyoni zenka na mushanzo zo bakweteza eza bestaka shashirwe harone za retention bajya ngo reba aricyo kuzumuhereza abanza ko rumurimo go gugire guta umurimo gubanze guhwe
Mwanyuma y'akaciko ka Public Procurement and Disposal Public Assets Authority okora audit kikashanga ngo miliyoni 252 ahari miliyoni rukaga 50 ziri kugamba kuba zakoze mu rumogu zikabuzamisho
kawo yahandikira engineer 2020 yo kwa manana just 1 year ago ebaraha ya misconduct ibahandikire mbonimpa engineer wa district bagira ngo gross misconduct ahabwo kuba kawo nagira ati nchindebekera ngwibona n'aba rock and that solutions company yabire ne kururguto mubasa ko mwine mu mukago ahabwe nce bitugambira ngo enforcing bakore utaru kubikora yaje atse ateje shonga kurigero public service standing orders nkimibera barnagum punishable corona yuzuka around last year mboni mpogwa kali no kubingwaho konka ko bishire hati service commission yaho abataka mutire hati son chokole eje bara ya misconduct tera follow winjirwe kandi cyo kwa kaho dia ba followed up kugira ngo mboni impa engineer wa district yabire responsible for supervising this work because ntubasa ku blaminga contract yes konka hariho government official yabina supervising umurimo ari kushashira contract at every stage akoma certificates za completion
twagamba na engineer Barnabas Chiza Bonimpa or district engineer wa district ya Bushenyi hona nabwo babira supervisor wo mu rumogu atiya tugira ngo akine miliyoni 30 na ija kugumarira
twinete arosente za retention izara mushashire izakubentuje kumuha kugira ngo na collective ko kan nzakugiye kora under post account yo ntandikira ba PPDA
akasigize balance ya zimwe
ashatu miliyoni ashatu
so rwona rikari mazirezinga yurukaga
yurukaga nka
and everything. I have thousands of letters I wrote the engineer ever since I came to Bushenyi asking him to supervise, to do all that, but his reports cannot come out. Supervision, ever since I came, I think he went to that road only twice. He never gave me reports. He never gave instructions to the other man or warning. There are no warnings. Instead, the only report which he made, he was showing like works had been done properly.
mukuru w'abakozi bwa district ya Bushenyi Sanyu Fiona nagira ngo ababire bino kurebuzo mu rumogu bakagwatanisa n'ababire no bakora urugutoru akasente bakemunyungutoriza.
It's not me to write it is the engineer who is the project supervisor, and what he forgets is that this is a project that has spent 5 years almost, or 4, over 3 or 4. You know? And that is a Manyangu and a half a kilometer. But it is costing 650 million, and there is nothing on ground.
Tuburze mukuru w'abakozi ba Bushenyi yaba sente zibire zitakashashiro contractor ngo nazirija kumushashurwa kandi ibintu byatugarukiremo.
So we have grappled with 30 million kugira ngo niyo retention bakakora urugudo hasigare million ashatu kugira ngo harabeho defects esente batazumuha. So the defects came up, but correcting them cannot only take 30 million. According to the engineers, so that one already shows that government is likely to lose or has lost.
Aba PPD baruhi bahandikira aba workshop nereka ngo buri kimwe kibakoze harugutoru kikaba kitaraha mutindo barukoreka ngwenjura yagwa tine kiruka cyone kiri kubasa kuraba mu rugutoru.
Minister Barambarwa hari ashuma iza kandi atabanza kuza district iza rugutoru. I even think ngo Barambu yahika rugutoru akareba kukureba manya no rubataho nane nkite ehama nerega ho neri nkagama yiza hayo nareba Barama kareba rugutoru takwiza kusiga mboni impa district aho nhenda clean up yankumi 2016 mwami w'urisi bashasho bayabe na retiring abwa chairman C5 omu report yasigire district akajya tinkoze ibintu bingi nasiga hukizubo kimwe kinde miri heza abantu bambuza ngo nki hate n'engineer mboni papa na bus cheese
nyunko mutarukwiza busiya tinka yenzira abantu banyashoshetinge nebyo ibintu bibireho gwanyuma y'imyaka 2-3 buri kintu cy'urukombe kubana structure bana uruguto bana ikizimbo bana latrine kimekwa kina life span ninga shobwira bukimekwa nchimari operation. Therefore icyo kikwereka ngo really hariho embera yo kwesagura sente zo muyomusha
yahanga kurga
urugutoru waraba mahabigere enkito nebane kwatara hansi ahabo kugira ngo koruti bashireme kaguma higuru kwera guterwaho umushane tandaka kuyaga
hator no ruguto rwamboniyo baramwoizaha mboni empower wa musiga idakaba watu wanafanya bamushe.
Then he has to face now disciplinary action. Then I'm also writing to PPDA to submit the contract, see what they can also do. But now with PPDA, engineer left the period to end without any report, without giving instructions, because I cannot write as me. I have to base on the engineer's recommendation. But he gave me the recommendation, I think last week, when the contract had expired.
Umurumo go gwagadibengariye gukakorwa ba company ya Rock and That Solution Limited eyabembeze barukwenda ngo yemereza ubwo butagaruka kwebwe mpataniyo no mu district egi gashakwa mayiko twakire.